Now, OnePlus will be launching its smartphone lineup. These phones are coming to India on the 8th of July, and this is the day when the OnePlus summer launch event is also going to happen. Now, other than this, OnePlus is also going to launch the OnePlus Buds 4 wireless earphones. But anyway, we'll be focusing on the Note 5 and the Note CE5. Welcome to another video of Fiiber, where your HVR will be taking you through the Note CE5 and the Note 5 related leaks. See, last year you must have seen a video in which we were very much impressed by the Note 4. And we have high expectations from the Note 5 as well. So when we talk about the leaks, let's first go through what the OnePlus had revealed. That means that the phone is going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Now, if you talk about the display of the phone, it features a 6.3-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and 120Hz of refresh rate. In fact, you can do gaming at 144Hz refresh rate. That means games such as Call of Duty and BGMI will be running smoothly on this phone. If we talk about the memory and storage, we get 8GB and 12GB RAM along with 256GB and 512GB storage options. In fact, the phone will be coming with a 5200 mAh battery and 80-watt fast charger. Now, this will be released globally as opposed to the 100-watt charger that we got to see in the previous Note 4. That means that Note 4 used to charge from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. So this is a bit of a letdown for us. I mean, better models, so we expected more to happen. But in India, one thing is there, that we are going to get the same model with a 6700 mAh battery. So that's good news for us. According to leakster Sudhanshu Ambore, he said that when it comes to camera, we might be getting a 50 megapixel front-facing camera with a 50 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The phone has a rating of IP65. Now, the OnePlus phone comes with a cryovelocity VC cooling system with 7300 mm of heat dissipation area, which is actually similar to the flagship OnePlus 13 model. Now let's talk about the little brother, which is the Note CE5, which might turn out to be a solid performer. Now, according to rumors, the phone has a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and 120Hz of refresh rate. Now, if you talk about the processor, the phone might be having a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset along with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Now, if you talk about the cameras, then it is quite similar to the Note 5, where we might be getting a 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel dual camera setup. But when it comes to the front-facing camera, then it might be a little low, which is 16 megapixel for video calls and taking selfies. We might be getting to see this phone at 5100 mAh globally, but in our country, we might be getting to see this battery at 7100 mAh. Just like the Note 5, this also supports the 80-watt fast charging. Now, if you talk about the visual appeal of the phone, we are expecting Note 5 in dry ice, black mist and phantom grey sort of colors. And Note CE5 is expected to come in black infinity and marble mist variants. So are you looking forward to the Note 5 series? Do let us know in the comment section below and follow us for more such videos. This is your HVR signing off.